Let's welcome in the management at Manappuram Finance. They declared their numbers today. Sir, if you could just start by the standalone NII that has shown steady growth while profits have dipped YOY. What has led to the decline?
Decline only increase. You look at quarter on quarter, it is only increase. Last quarters we had something negative. The reason is because of the demand impact. Our clients are from urban, semi-urban and rural economy. Because of demand, the GST, etc., there had been some negative impact in our business during the first quarter, which has been stabilized during the second quarter. And this quarter we have grown by around 6.8%. So all our businesses have grown. The standalone itself, we have grown by, our AUM have grown by 5.3%, and the consolidated we have grown by around 6.8%. So the business is good. Even the profit after tax quarter on quarter has grown by 8.1%. So the business started growing, the growth has come back. I all along have been maintaining that our business can grow at a CAGR of 20%. So last two quarters, because of the issues in the our the growth has come back. The other business is microfinance, which has been showing some losses, and that the losses on account of all those is fully absorbed in the system. This quarter there is a minor profit of a meager profit of some 36 lakhs, but last quarter we hope that the profit will be considerably improved, and the coming quarter it will be back to pre-demand days in microfinance. In commercial vehicle also we have grown. We are the last quarter we reported an AUM of around 500 crores. So it has gained momentum, and
Nandakumar, you indicated how GST impacted your business, etc., etc. You told me what has happened. I want to now look forward. Asset quality has been stable. NPAs are largely stable quarter on quarter. Talk to me about going forward, what kind of recoveries and upgrades we are likely to see. Give us an outlook on the asset quality your shareholders can look forward to going ahead.
The asset quality will be maintained at this level. Overall, our asset quality is one of the best in the industry. It will be maintained. Growth also can be maintained. Consolidated growth can be maintained at. I'm hopeful of maintaining at 5% level quarter on quarter. So this is what I used to tell the market about how the management feels about the business.
But listen, Nandakumar, a lot of things are also changing for companies like yours. You've seen new RBI guidelines that are also coming in with respect to the MSMEs, for example, the classification of NPAs. You've also managed to successfully diversify the business offerings to commercial vehicles, MFIs, etc. What can we expect from your company in the new financial year? What is the business strategy, and are things changing for a company like yours?
Yeah, judging from the current regime, but all regimes are already there. I feel like whatever I told you, we are hopeful that the CAGR of 20% can be maintained.
I wanted to ask you one more question. If your business is also going to change thanks to the government wanting to make gold as a proper asset class. Finance Minister Arun Jaitley did say that in Budget 2018. Are you rejigging your portfolio or revisiting your business strategy to take advantage of that?
I'm not sure about what sort of changes are in the offing as far as gold policy is concerned. I'll be able to respond only after I see what is the policy.
count on the fact that we at ET Now will get you back here to talk about what the policy will be that will be announced by the government and how companies like yours will be working towards that. Thank you, Mr. Nandakumar, for joining us here on ET Now. The stock price, while the rest of the market's also under pressure, you've got Manappuram Finance right now down just around 4 rupee 20 paise, a share that's about 3.5% in trade. I tell you what, we haven't taken a break in a while. We're going to do that. Lots of news when we return. We'll also tell you about all the big Nifty counters that will be coming out with their earnings later today.